What I wish I knew before my first online meeting: how to mute my noisy keyboard. No more background clicks. Let's fix it fast. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. Now, head to Devices and select Typing from the sidebar. Scroll down until you see Touch Keyboard. Here, find the option that says Play Key Sounds as I Type and simply toggle it off. That's it. If you're on a Mac, go to System Settings, then Keyboard. Look for Sound or Keyboard Feedback and uncheck any keyboard sound options. Still hearing noises? Some laptops have extra keyboard software. Search for pre-installed apps like Lenovo Vantage or HP Support Assistant and check their settings for sound options. And if you're using an external keyboard, check its software or app for sound settings. Now you can type in peace, no more clicks, just pure focus. Hit like if this helped, and follow for more quick tech tips.